money back for LPL, plus the resulting mid lane turrets. Pretty decent swing right there, even though they were fighting a Baroned up team. They're able to get something back for themselves.
Oh, the teleport in from behind though. Marin comes in, he's high. Oh, he's out of there! Wait, he's literally just did that to reposition.
I mean, the thing is, they don't have Prey. Why even bother with this one? They're going to look for the play. Ice
wave clear for this lineup. So if he leaves the mid lane, it's so easy for Faker just to push it down instantly. It's easy for Marin to push down the top lane. And again, the top side of the map just belongs to SK Telecom.
Uh-oh, so much damage. Yeah, Marin trying to chunk him down. He's got a lot of damage this one. A couple more spells will do it. There's the hit, and wow, the solo kill. Marin chasing down Amazing J in the top lane.
He's down! The Emperor's Divide, not even used. The Gnar is not going to get channeled just yet. Bengi's going to be the next focus. Yana was able to kill Faker. Now Marin's looking for Ryu and might just find it. Bang challenge is down, but Ryu's going to stay alive and get away. Bang, left uncontested on the back line. He continues to auto-attack. Wolf with a two-man knockup. Yana, get in the fight, man. No auto-attacks down yet. The boomerang goes out, not going to fly slow. Wow, Marin just eviscerates.
Beautiful play.
That's a double.
What an outplay.
And SKT demolish H2K.
He completely baited SKT, right? H2K, sorry, right there.
Well, now Marin's in a little bit of trouble.
Just look at that ceiling power.
Game shifts out. Goro holding on to the position of
Uh-oh. He's going to be in turret range. Here comes the damage from the turret, and Marin's just running away. Please, don't pick me. It's too late for him, Koro. Oh, man! Oh, that's just unfortunate.
Birds. The top 5 birds of 2015.
Team gonna be? There's no one around right now. He's still running away through the wars. Pop summoner teleport. Oh my God! This is a god.
Alone doing this, but SKT constantly playing very far back. Now fighting the top side. So as Flash still on cooldown.
Bangi will stun Marin, will not stun Bangi. So as unwilling to flash, unable to get away. First blood to Marin, and SKT laser come out first. Marin got the ulti, pops it, Soaz going to be in a bad way, does have a flash, and it's going to be a flash follow. There's only one vital left, and Marin can't quite reach it, but he gets the slow, one-hit kill, shot for Soaz, but it's enough to get Marin the kill anyway, 2-0 to the SKT top laner.
Easy Hoon. It has to be a double flank with Soaz, but Soaz is going down to Marin.
Zhonya's pop up, Marin gets the easy shutdown.